Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox Rivals thumbnails. First, let's dive into the crucial planning stage. Begin by brainstorming engaging concepts that truly capture the essence of rivalry and action. Think about your target audience and what visuals will immediately grab their attention. Before you even touch a digital tool, sketch out several layout ideas. This helps visualize your composition and ensures a strong foundation. Finally, select a compelling color scheme that evokes excitement and energy, setting the perfect mood for your thumbnail. Now that you have a plan, let's bring your characters to life. Position them dynamically to convey conflict and high energy, making sure every pose tells a story. Roblox Studio's animation editor is your best friend here, allowing for incredibly precise posing. Don't forget to add relevant props and environmental details. These elements significantly enrich your scene and add context. Finally, ensure you have excellent lighting to highlight key elements and create a sense of depth, making your thumbnail truly pop. With your scene set, it's time to add impactful text and visual effects. Choose a bold, readable font that stands out clearly against your background. To make your text truly pop, utilize outlines and drop shadows. These simple additions make a huge difference. Incorporate exciting visual effects like glow or motion blur to add dynamic impact and energy. Remember to maintain a consistent style across all your thumbnail elements, ensuring a cohesive and professional look that grabs attention. Finally, let's get your amazing thumbnail ready for Roblox. Export your creation at a high resolution, ideally 1920 by 1080 pixels, for crisp quality. It's also crucial to optimize the file size to ensure quick loading times on the platform. Once ready, upload your finished thumbnail through the Roblox game settings. Don't stop there. Consider testing different thumbnail variations to see which ones perform best and attract the most players to your game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.